beautiful, beautiful life. Be outside walking, getting some sunshine, fresh air. Real nice right now. We almost to December, towards the end of 2025 as they record it. But remember, we still got a couple extra months until the actual New Year's. You feel me? But yeah, not too much to say. We'll probably do a stream a little later, some video games, an ode to young PsiloSage back in the day when I played Xbox. They did the remaster for Gears of War. Used to love that game. Not as much as Halo, but I wasn't more into Gears of War than I was in Call of Duty back then. So, got to do the rare PS5 stream to Gears of War. Because 2026, we're going to be on that Halo, PlayStation Halo, you feel me? Yeah, I wanted to talk about investing a little bit. How y'all feel about GameStop? Definitely think it's undervalued. A real deep value stock. I'm not sure if y'all looked into the CEO, Ryan Cohen, and like his work with Chewy, and you know, just his interviews, how he doesn't take pay as a CEO. You know, his worth comes from the stock itself. As well as Michael Burry. If y'all have ever heard of Michael Burry, he's who the movie The Big Short was based on. Someone that predicted the crash of the housing market back in, what was it, like 06 or something, 07, right before it happened. I believe it was 08 when that actually happened. Apologize if my years are wrong. I was young back then. I think 08, I was in 8th grade, and 06 I was in 6th grade, so it's really like junior high times for me. But yeah, he was posting how he was emailing Ryan Cohen back in 2021. And that was quite interesting. About to be passing near a tree soon. But yeah, shout out to Michael Burry. I heard he's about to tell his whole story on that whole GameStop investment. He was someone that got out of the stock before that whole crazy rally back in 2021. But yeah, his report sounds interesting. Just like what he saw in that stock. And what he wanted the company to do in order to be a more valuable company. And when you read through that letter, it seems like a lot of those pointers actually happened within the past couple years. So yeah, just something to think about. Pretty interesting if y'all into like the stock market and investing and all that good-ish. What else is on the mind? Been slowly cooking up some new music for y'all, but mostly just soaking in life, you know, not rushing it. Was hoping to drop Spore 3 by Christmas, but we'll see, maybe New Year's, or if not, early 2026, you know. Once again, we're not rushing the art, taking our time with it, feeling the vibes. I want to get some production in on that, work with some of my producers I've worked with in the past, and really just make it a project, you feel me? How y'all doing today? Y'all hear the footsteps? Yep, we still got the rose. Y'all see the flower on the tree that we left a while back. Free energies, you feel me? But yeah, we're really just keeping it positive. Really just you know, living life. Soaking in the vibes. Speaking of rose, looks like there's a rose above me, but it's like a red balloon. 99 red balloons. Got the mountains on my back. Appreciate y'all for getting me to over 100 followers on Twitch. That's definitely a milestone. I wanted to do a giveaway at 100, but it doesn't seem like we have quite enough people like interacting in the chat for like giveaways yet, but maybe we'll do that soon, or we'll plan it ahead of time like an event. Maybe we'll get more people in all at once to be able to give away like a couple Silo pillows and like maybe a Silo clock or some CDs, something like that. I want to definitely give back end of the year. Spring cleaning, even though it's not spring. Winter cleaning, got a lot of like art. Still got a lot of Silo clothing, like Silo streetwear, if anyone's interested in some shirts, sweaters. Really trying to push all that out, lose some of the weight, make some new-ish. Just found a seashell by the seashore. PsiloSage got the spores, the spirals in the mind, and I need more. Not ready for war, actually I am, but I'm more ready for peace. Said I'm ready to release and do it with ease. Said I'm ready to release and do it with ease. I said I bring peace. Just believe in me. Alright, y'all. Gotta get back to nature, you know, not be focused on my phone too much, but once again, just wanted to do a little check-in, say what's up, spread the vibe, let y'all know that I'm alive. I'm happy to be alive. Happy to be alive. I'm happy to be alive. And then, yeah, I'll talk to you later.